She's waiting.
Go ahead. Who are you?
I'm a girl.
Come on. All right, good morning, 643. Someone is here today as a guest for you and the class, and she would like to introduce herself. I started. Go ahead. All right. So we have a guest teacher today, and she would like to tell you her name. Great. And we're going to do a little bit of what we have to finish from last week, some presentations, and then you're going to do about. Okay. All right. So. All right. So now let's call Suleiman, who was. All right. Go ahead. Does the class have? Okay. You can go over and point to them. You don't know their names, so they know who you're calling on. That's a great question. Yes. Go ahead. Ask him to repeat it.
How old are you? I am 7 years old. Let me find your shepherd.
And that puts you in what grade? Okay. All right. So,
No, that's not.
that's Stephen. Go ahead.
It's definitely not a fair way to share the cake because someone gets more than the other person. If you're sharing it with two people, someone gets more. Someone gets this whole part, and someone gets a tiny part. That's kind of how my friend does it. If she has something whole, she says she's going to split it in half, but she doesn't want. She wants to have more, so she like a bunny peep. I get just an ear, and she gets the whole other part.
Who is that?
Tiffany. She does that sometimes.
Okay. Are those equal fractions?
No, and it's unfair because I don't get as many. I don't get the stuff that she has. But there are 3 parts of it: both ears, the head, and the bottom. Then when Leah was there, my other friend, she gave Leah. She took both ears, my other friend. She gave me the butt and Leah the middle.
So, Laura, ask the class this question. Is that Jocelyn?
So the question was, is that the right answer?
And what did Jocelyn say?
Yeah.
Okay.
But right now another share.
Yes.
This is from my school, and it's all about fractions. A fair share.
What's the title?
A fair share.
Mm-hmm. And what would make sharing something fair? If it's shared, ask the class, what would make sharing something fair? If it's shared, how?
By giving each person something equally?
Was that good? Was that a good answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there are types of fractions here. Every fraction has a name. Some of that you may already know. For example, if you and a friend break a whole bagel into two pieces that are the same size, each get 1/2. And the way you put 1/2 is like a 1 on the top and a line in the middle, and then the 2 on the bottom. And it's for both of them. When you put the 2 halves back together, you get the whole bagel.
When you put the two halves together, you get the whole bagel. Did anybody ask you what grade you're in? Okay. And this is your first grade book, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. All right. You want to go to the next slide then? And we can go back to the book and we can help read the book, right?
If you have a square with 3 equal sections, then each section is 1/3. If you color a kite with 4 parts that are the same size, then each part is 1/4. If you share a pie with 6 friends, each of you will get 1/6 of something.
No.
Well, what's wrong with it? What was the word that how did we start the lesson? We want to know about sharing. Okay, so would that be sharing equally? No, exactly. Okay. So then, would the two fractions be the same in that cake? Ask somebody. Would the two, put the line back, and would, no. Yeah. So ask somebody, would those two fractions be the same?
When you put the line in the middle, and I put the line over here, is that still the same fraction?
No.
Good. Have somebody explain. Explain.
That's not 1/2 of the whole entire cake.
Right. And what about, is that, and that's like Laura, show the book again, right? Because would that be, show the book, show the title of the book. Would that be,
Would it be fair?
Sabrina?
If someone had this much of the cake and someone had this much?
No.
Okay. So then we'd have to make the pieces what? Or the two pieces would have to be,
It's the same.
or,
Equally.
correct, right. Very good.